Hello, good day, sir. And my name is Muhammad Akif Hakimi bin Ayus Remy, and my matric number is B1323101993. Today, our team will be presenting about the development of a preventive maintenance plan for the mosque of the prayer hall. So this is our group member consists of five people. Firstly is Muhammad Amirul bin Aiman. Secondly is myself. Thirdly is Zulhafizi bin Makhtar. Fourth is Nasrullah bin Muhammad Azam. And fifth is Muhammad Amirul Hafiz bin Hamzah. Our presentation consists of four table of content. First, content is about the introduction, object. Secondly is objective. Thirdly is preventive maintenance strategies. And lastly is conclusion. In the part 3, the preventive maintenance strategy consists of building envelope and exterior, which is about the prayer hall. Next is mechanical system, which we focus on the HVAC. Thirdly is plumbing and water system, which focus on wardrobe area. Four is electrical system. Fifth, fire and life safety system that focus on fire extinguisher. And next is public and common area. Next is specific high use space, and finally is seasonal. So my part, I will be presenting about the introduction, objective, and the conclusion. For the introduction, as we know, most is very highly will is experiencing high daily usage from people that will do their regular prayer, Friday prayer, and other religious event. When a mosque very frequently used, it will cause earlier wear and tear to its door, lighting system, plumbing, and its high traffic area like the main prayer hall. If the mosque lack of maintenance, it can lead to the safety issues such as service disruption and will lead to the high repair of the cost when it happen any breakdown and or any major problem at the most. To prevent this, we must do a preventive maintenance plan that will help us to firstly, it, this preventive maintenance can help us detect minor defect early, reduce unexpected breakdown, and ensure smooth religious activities for people. So, maintenance activity very important because it can cover the structural, mechanical, and electrical, and plumbing and safety, and also the public area of the mosque. For our assignment, there are three main objectives. Firstly, to make sure the safety, hygiene, and comfort of the worshipper at the mosque. Secondly, to prevent the building of the mosque of its integrity and extend the mosque service life of its component. Finally, the objective is to optimize the operation of the mosque and its efficiency and minimize the emergency costs.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Naswar bin Azam. Today I will present about the preventive maintenance strategy. The first is the building praying hall mosque. Uh, this topic, the group is choose mosque. The first strategy is building envelope and exterior. The first, as you can see, this picture is a gutter. The first component is roofing, external wall, gutter, and downspout. Second is maintenance strategy is weatherproof inspection. Is that a condition-based and time-based preventive maintenance? Extra inspection before storm or rainy season. Three is procedure. Roofing, check tile, metal sheet, joint, flashing, edge. Gutter, clean debris for smooth drainage. Three, wall, inspect crack, gum, patches, breathing pan, mold. Surrounding, keeping drainage point clean, visual diagram or illustration of roofing wall and gutter. As you can see, this is the group tape is a gutter at the mosque. And the fourth is inspection frequency. Inspection is do quarterly and pre-season inspection. Number five is prevent leak, water damage, and structure deterioration. Ensure safety, avoid sleep hazard. And number three, extend lifespan of building material and preserve aesthetic. Number four, support and interpret worksheet activity. And number five, visual icon graphic showing safety, protection, and maintenance. The second is hatchback system and maintenance strategy. The first system component is hatchback unit, a handling unit, ventilation fan, ductwork. Second is air vent, thermostat, fan motor, wheel bar. As you can see, the picture is aircon at the mosque. Second maintenance strategy is time-based preventive maintenance. Number second, condition-based check during high occupancy and peak uses. Number three is procedure. Inspect, clean or replace air filter. Number two, check fan motor, bed and moving part, lubricate if needed. Number three, clean and inspect air vent, diffuse and return grill. Number three, verify and calibrate thermostat setting. And number four, visual diagram of hatchback system airflow in prayer hall. The frequency is twice a year at additional check during high attendance or extreme weather. Number five is justification. Ensure comfort, thermal control, and indoor air quality. Number two, prevent heat stress, poor ventilation, and reduce focus. Number three, improve system efficiency and reduce energy consumption. Number four, minimize risk of breakdown during peak price time. Number five, extend equipment lifespan and lower long-term costs. Number six, maintain hygiene, camp, and safe worksheet environment. And lastly is visual icon showing comfort, airflow, and maintenance tool.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Amira Hamza. My metric number is B123101113. And for my part of the presentation, I will explain the plumbing and water system in the wudu area and the electrical system in the mosque, with a focus on preventive maintenance. First, the plumbing and the water system in the wudu area is one of the most frequently used system in a mosque because worshippers perform a wudu before every prayer. Due to continuous usage, components such as taps, pipes, and joints experience wear over time. Preventive maintenance helps detect leaks early, reduce water wastage, and also prevent slippery floor that could cause an accident. A regular cleaning of floor drains is also important to prevent a blockage caused by soap, residue, and debris. Proper drainage keep the area clean, dry, and hygienic. In addition, water pressure is a monitor to ensure comfort for user while avoiding damage to the plumbing system. Next, I will explain the electrical system, which is it play a critical role in ensuring safety, visibility, and comforts inside the mosque. This system support daily religious activities and must operate reliably at all times, especially during early morning and night prayers. Preventive maintenance of electrical system begin with checking all lighting fixtures to ensure they provide adequate illuminations, and faulty dims or flickerings light are replaced immediately to prevent poor visibility, which could lead to trips or falls. Wells maintenance lightnings also creates a calm and a comfortable environment for worshipper during prayer. In addition, electrical switches and power socket are inspected to ensure they are initially installed and functioning properly. Loose or damaged switch and socket can pose a serious risk of electrical shocks, especially in areas close to water such as the wudu area. Electrical wiring is also checked for signs of overheating, damaged insulation or loose connection which a fire is not addressed early. Distribution boards and circuit breaker are inspected to confirm that they are in good condition and can operate correctly during electrical faults. A circuit breaker must be able to trip when necessary to protect the electrical system and building a user. Emergency lightning and illuminated exit signs are also tested regularly to ensure the function during power failure, allowing safe movement and evacuation in emergency situations.
Good morning everyone. My name is Muhammad Zafizi bin Mata. I want to present about my point is fire and life safety systems. First is fire and life safety systems are very important in mosques because many people catches, especially during Friday prayer and a special event. This system including fire extinguishers, smoke detector alarms and fire alarms, emergency light and exit sign and emergency exits. All equipment must be to good working condition at all times. Fire extinguishers must be easier to reach, not no expired and have a correction pressure. Smoke detector and alarm must be tested regularly to ensure early fire detections. Emergency light and exit signs must working during power failure to guide people and safely. Emergency exit and corridor must always be clear and not blocked. Inspections are carried out every 6 months with extra check before major events. Good maintenance helps prevent injury, save life, and ensures. The next point is public and commons area. Public and common area is most include interests consider workway, streets, handrail, shoes and store area. Flow signs and circulation space. These areas have a heavy foot traffic and must be kept safe and accessible. Flow should be flat and clear. Flow should be flat, clear, and not slippery to prevent falls. Damaged tile of crack must be repaired quickly, and anti-slip mats should be used in a wet area. Shoes rack must be well organized and not block walkway. Corridor must be clear, well lit and clear at all times. Inspection are done. Inspection are done monthly to reduce accident and ensure a safe and comfortable environment for all worshippers.
Okay. Next, I'll present about the specific high use or a critical facility component, which is the prayer hall carpet. Okay, the prayer hall carpet is one of the most frequently used components because worshippers pray directly on it several times a day. Due to high foot traffic, dust, and moisture exposure, the carpet has a strong impact on hygiene, comfort, and safety. So, if the carpet is not properly maintained, the dust and the dirt can accumulate, affecting indoor air quality and causing discomfort, which is moisturizer can also lead to unpleasant odors and bacterial growth. In addition, worn or loose carpet edges may create a trip hazard, especially for the elderly worshipper and the children. Okay. For the maintenance activities to prevent this issue, a hygiene carpet maintenance program is implemented in this. So which is this is include the weekly vacuum to remove dust, immediate spot cleaning for stand or wet areas, and a deep cleaning twice a year using shampoo or steam method. Regular inspection are also carried out to identify damage and uneven carpet areas. So overall, proper maintenance of the prayer hall carpet ensure a clean, safe, and comfortable prayer environment, and it also extend the carpet service life and support smooth and uninterrupted worship activities. Okay, next is a seasonal and a critical preparation. During the monsoon season, heavy rainfall and the high humidity can cause the roof to leaks, flooding, and the moisture damage if the building is not properly maintained. Therefore, seasonal preventive maintenance is important to protect the most and ensure safe and uninterrupted worship activities. So, the system which is involved and the maintenance focus on the key components such as the roof and the roof joints, gutters and dashboard, stormwater drainage, the doors, window, and also the ventilation. Before the monsoon season, gutters and drainage system are cleaned to prevent the before the monsoon season, the gutters and the drainage system are cleaned to prevent the blockage of water overflow, and the roof also is inspected for loose tiles or damaged sheets to reduce the risk of leaks. The doors and the window are also checked for the gaps or damaged seals that may allow water to enter the building. Where available, drainage or sump pumps are tested to ensure they function properly during heavy rainfall. So these activities are carried out manually before the monsoon season, with additional inspection after heavy storm if needed. Overall, the monsoon preparation program really helps keep the most dry, safe, and functional, while reducing emergency repairs and protecting the comfort of worshipper.
Next, I will presenting about the conclusion. What we can conclude in this presentation, preventive maintenance activity is very important for most for the most of the prayer hall because the most experience had experiencing very continuous high occupancy frequently. With using a structural plan, it can improve the safety, functionality, and comfort of worshipper at the mosque when they are using the mosque for any religious when they wanted to do any religious activity at the mosque. We can prove that with a regular inspection, the regular inspection will make reducing any equipment failure at the mosque and improving the safety hazard at the mosque, and also minimize the costly corrective repair for the mosque equipment. So we must focus on critical. We also in this assignment mainly focus on critical areas such as wudu facility, prayer hall, and fire safety system. Seasonal maintenance also must be also focused because it increase the building durability and weather resistance. So overall, this plan very support the long term of the most sustain the prayer hall sustainability and a peaceful worship environment for people.